Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but
Hey yo, so today, where are we going, Yana? I can hear you already. Those of you guys who are continuously watching this, I know you guys are asking, where are we going next? So, for today, we are going to the Omo Valley in Ethiopia. And the tribe that I am inspired by, guys, holy smokes. I feel like part of my soul is from Ethiopia when I saw this picture. I hope I do you guys proud, so let's get into it. First, as usual, I tell you guys, put something on your face that's gonna create a barrier. Be it shea butter, be it some form of mineral oil, or you guys can actually use this Bobbi Brown, and it is the face base. So after I've applied my face base, I am going to be using my artist brush, and I'm gonna be using one of my favorite foundation this year. Thank you, Laura Mercier. PR people hooked me up with this. This is like genius. So this is their Flawless Luminaire Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and it is 4C1 Praline. So for my next step, as you can see, I've already done it. I stumbled upon this on TikTok. Yes, you heard me, on TikTok. There's this beautiful, gorgeous lady. Her name is Lida, and her brand is Lida Beauty. Guys, this is like the best thing since sliced bread, all right? You know how it takes you 3 months to do a cat eye? Well, she has done it that you can do it in like, I'm not even exaggerating, I feel like 2 seconds. So here we go, let me show you guys, because I'm doing the wing anyway, so I might as well show you guys. But if you can't tell I'm excited, then you don't know me. You don't know how I am. You don't know who I am. So okay, so here we go. So it comes with a stamp, right? You open it, it looks like a pen, right? So one end has a stamp. So you make sure the wing is over there, and then you just smack it on, right? Crazy shaky like mine from excitement. And then so this other end of the pen, you're just gonna open it and you're gonna fill in your wing. So I'm gonna need my mirror for this one. Voila, look at that. How cool was that? That's just like super quick. That's like the fastest cat eye I've ever done in my life. Lida Beauty, like, this is a gem. So it comes in bold, which I'm wearing right now, and it also comes in sleek. So here's the bold package. It's Lida, L-Y-D-A Beauty. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere here. Guys, like, this is revolutionary. So for our next step, you guys are going to see me looking away. I'm going to be referring to the pictures so that I can do it justice on my face, and let's just get into it. So we are going back to my favorite. It seems like NYX Milk is helping me out the entire time that I've been working on these looks. So going back into my Milk in a Jar, which is ESB01 by NYX, guys. You know the deal already. You guys know the deal already. Pulling out my brush. I don't know what brush this is, but here we go, just so that you guys can see it. For our next step, we're gonna need 2 things. I'm gonna be using my Japanesque, and this is 341. And I am going to be using my NYX Jumbo Pencil, and this is Peacock 632. It's a blue, like, beautiful blue color. So because I can't find my jumbo sharpener, I'm going to have to go in here with a brush. I always tell you guys, when life gives you lemon, know how to make lemonade. I can't just preach. I have to follow my own words.
baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.
Next, you're gonna go back into NYX and then just do the same thing you just did with that blue line and do the white line. So for that, I'm not gonna use that as a brush. That the brush was kind of like flimsy. I want a brush that's stern. So I'm gonna be using my Real Technique brush, and this is the brown brush. This is the only thing I can find. I love this brush, so I know it's gonna work. Going back to the blue. Then I got a TikTok. This is crazy. If you guys think an influencer's life is easy, boy, do you have it wrong.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish.
There it is, guys. I am like super excited. For the next part, there are patterns in her face. And so what I'm gonna do is using my, like it's shaped like this on her face. So using my cover, like the cover of my foundation, I just took that out. I'm just gonna try and recreate this somehow by using that. Cause it's the very shape that I want. I thought that was like super dope.
Baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby.
Ooh. It worked out.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish.
Alright, so now for lips, what I'm going to be using is Sugar Pill, and it is pumpkin spice. How appropriate. By the way, do you guys comment down below if you like pumpkin spice? Comment down below if you love pumpkin spice. If that's your jam during the fall, let me know. I'm not. I usually tend to do like apple cider, yum, in, in the fall.
Versace.
Wow, Sugar Pill, this really smells like pumpkin spice. You know, when companies do that, when they take the extra step, put in the extra effort to actually, you know, putting the scent in it, oh man, I just go crazy. There we go. Oh my God, this is coming together. Woo! It took a while, but we're getting there. And look at this. I get to use my own lashes today. Like, how cool is that? Like, I've been dreaming about this day forever and a day. And the fact that I get to use my own lashes, like, this is dope. I can't reveal the name yet, but just know it's coming. This is gonna be out for Christmas. And voila, we have the finished look. No, not yet. We have one more item that took me like 40 minutes to make today. But anyway, I'm like super excited in how it turned out, and these lashes are the bomb. Like, I'm glad you guys get to get a preview of it before Christmas, but whoa, like, this is taking my look to another level. Thank you guys so much for the love on Instagram, for the love on Twitter, for the love of, yo, all my social media platforms. Like, you guys are going crazy. Even Pinterest is picking up super weird. I was never like into Pinterest, just pinning stuff myself, but now that I'm putting my own stuff on Pinterest, like, it's going crazy. But anyway, love you guys. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. You guys don't understand what this means. This actually gives me the energy and the drive that I need to keep going. You guys are just super, super sweet. You guys always encourage me to keep going, and I keep researching to make this accurate. Love you guys. Till next time. Bye.